Yeah, so most of this, I will send you these links. 2023 Outlook from various folks. But yeah, everybody is positioned it to be a not great year. Like BlackRock, what are these guys doing? What happened here? That is low. There is one Russian lady in Goldman Sachs. She's very good, this lady. I don't know the others, but whatever she tells, she has a very good grip on macro outlook. But again, having a good macro outlook may not convert into a good market view. She's been saying there won't be a recession all along the way, right from June, I think. And she called the final number would be around 5 to 500, 5 to 525 bips. I think she changed her stance now. Last time, I think she was telling there would be a rate cut, but now she's telling there won't be a rate cut. I mean, it's a bold call, but if the job cuts are going to increase, we probably might have a rate cut towards the end of 23. This pace is too fast. I don't know why he's raising 25 bips. He should have basically done 10 bips or 15 bips over the next few meetings rather than just straight away going 25, 25. But again, I'm not the one who is controlling it. This is what 525, 500 or 525, and then 24. It comes to 425. So probably 4 rate cuts of 25 bips magnitude. Then 25 is targeting 3. I mean, he needs to get to 2. 2 is what is parity, but 2.5 is we just put it in the long run. He can't be doing in the long run, but again, he won't be reappointed. 2 terms is the maximum. When does he re-elect? I think here. And the elections are here, right? Yeah, the elections are here. And when does he seek reappointment? Oh, he has all the enough of time, so he doesn't care about the elections. Then when it comes to US market, I haven't done this study. Probably somebody can do. There is this 6-month cycles in mm, every 6 months, and you map that onto 48 months. 48 months of presidential term. So you get 48 data points, something like this. Jan, uh, 0th year. 0th year means when the president gets elected in the first year. Then first year. Then second year. Then third year. Now, if you look at this particular chart, we are here. This is 1 year before the term ends, October plus 6 months. October end, November, December, Jan, Feb, March, April. So October to April, it was always a winner in the last 20 cycles since 1940. The problem with the pre-1940 data is it's backfilled. You cannot trust it. 1920 to 1940s, the US has gone through the big world war. So the data will be little depressing when the stock market stand. And of course, that 1929 recession also. And moreover, the data is not accurate, is what I feel. So that's why I do only studies from 1940. Even though S&P goes back filled up to 1850s, 1870 or 18 something like that. The Dow Jones Index. Another thing with this Dow Jones study is basically Dow is not an accurate picture of US. You have to do S&P 500. Yeah, barring that disclaimers or whatever you call, you still get this much average. So the average is about 14.6, and with a standard deviation of 8%. And I think this is median. Yeah, 16% median. The lowest returns were 0.83. That is when I first wrote. That was in 2018. The max is 25. I don't think we'll hit max, but yeah, even if we get like the 15% average returns, plus or minus a standard deviation. So this is about 14.5 minus 8. 7% on the lower bound. Upper bound is unlimited, or 21%, whatever you call. Where did the S&P close on October? Yeah, somewhere. Oh. Yeah, but I wrote exactly on that date. So you should have acted on it. You should have bought some S&P ETF. You know, the 3.6. Now it is at 3.9. So that's a 300 points rally, almost 8%. Maybe another 8% is on the cards as per average. On the lower standard deviation front, we already achieved that 8% returns, which is 15% minus one standard deviation. Another thing you should look is this JP Morgan trade. It acts as a stiff resistance or support most of the times. They create this trade on SPX options exactly on month end, quarter end. So the quarter end is 31st March. This one, 31st March. You just look for the highest open interest, somewhere around 40,000 contracts. So they write calls and they buy puts. Where did they write calls? Not able to make up where they wrote. Because there is 3850 and 39 also. Then there is this 39, 3850. In any case, their upside return calls are breached. Where did they write the puts? Okay, this is the call and that is. This is what I need to know. All Not by the highest strike. J. That is 260. Yeah, so this is the 40,000 contract. That is the JPM. So this is where they bought the puts. And on the call side, for interest. Just yeah, so they wrote the calls at 40.65. What is this trade called? Option. Hello?
Short combo or something?
No, no.
Collar something.
Sorry?
Collar.
It's a closed collar, but they do one more leg. Please collar plus they finance again those puts by writing far away puts. So they hold S&P, they write calls, they buy puts, and they sell puts again. It's a lizard or something like that. They charge 0.75% for this. And the first fund is fully maybe you can just check. It's called JPM. Yeah, this one. JHEX. Yeah, 14.5 in one fund. They have the same similar fund in another one. The promise here is you get a safe 6% returns. And drawdown is very limited. So when S&P is down 20% last year, they were down only 8%. So from drawdown perspective, it achieves its target. But from wealth building or returns perspective, it underperforms. S&P by the hedge cost. So it's only for the people who doesn't like the drawdown. Why is he not putting a comparison calendar? Comparison. Actually, he's not holding the entire S&P. He's only holding a bit of S&P. I think he's ignoring the last bottom 200 or 300 companies. His holdings are only 187. That means, yeah, he's not replicating the S&P 500. And for another outlooks, which people missed here is, this is all others people's money, not their money. Their money is these guys. I really don't. In 2022, you should read whenever it comes. So these guys are UK based, so they should follow UK calendar. They're actually very good in the way that they manage. Look at this. Market has fallen 20%. The S&P, I think S&P should be their benchmark. They're just fallen 4%. And in the 5 years, they've returned 25%, which is bad. Because S&P has given 40% returns. Yeah, close to 40%. These guys underperform, maybe because of euro also. In the long run, this is from 2000. It's almost a 5-bagger. Look at this. 2000 didn't affect them. They were going up. 2008, of course, it affects everybody. So they are down. But yeah, generally their commentary is much respected because it's their own money and they want to protect. Unlike the banks, they don't have a skin in the game or whatever. It's other people's money and they can do whatever. But here it's majority is held by the family and outsiders, like whoever is the shareholders in this company. So they are very conservative and careful in terms of their investments. So if you fall into that bracket, conservative and risk averse, you should follow them. They will give their asset allocation, like how much is there, 100 rupees or 100 pounds is allocated. how much into equities, how much into stocks, how much into real estate, and how much into fixed income. That's the thing. So the next is this is the first model. Yeah, sorry.
Kora, I just wanted one question. I don't know whether it's we are what you call following some pattern in the session. I just wanted to know how do we example like in Nifty 50 in calendar year 2022. How do we slice the data in terms of to knowing which stocks have contributed how much to the index in terms of the total return for the calendar? Is that some way we can do that in terms of the data which is available?
I can tell you rough way, but that's not accurate way. So this is your 20. Yeah, so this is your 21 and 22. Eight market cap. Okay, 8 is weight is. Yeah, so you go to 2021 file and take that. So this is this is at the end of 2021 the weights, and they keep changing. So that's why whatever the thing I give, it's not valid. Ticker. This is the price 21 and 22. This is the change. Cap. It is this one. Nifty has gained how much? 750 points. So that is 750 into this divided by 100. Lens has contributed into this. Sorry, what should I do here? I mean, 751 points.
In terms of what is the to find out just which company has contributed more percentage in terms of the return and which has pulled down in terms of, just to see.
Yeah, but now I know Nifty has gained 751. I know Reliance weightage is 10.77 in that. Okay. We're getting 728 points, which is close to 750. Infi has contributed to minus 320 points. It has pointed to 227 point gain. So Nifty contribution.
And Kora, this market cap weight more or less during the year it is constant, is it? In terms of
It won't be constant. That's why the difference of 751. But whereas I'm able to get you only 720. So there's a difference of 22 points. I'm not able to count. That is because those weights keeps changing.
Kora, also this Nifty gets rebalanced every quarter, right? So some stocks.
Yeah, so some stocks might
So
have
that's
gone.
why there's a difference, but more or less it's the same because the big guys are gonna be there.
Yeah. So the 720, whether if I tell the answer is 729 or 751, it's not a big error. So who contributed? ICICI, ITC, Axis, HDFC, Reliance, SBI. M&M contributed 100 points, which is very surprising. Hindustan was a dead, but still it outperformed Nifty. And it got kicked off Nifty top 10. Yes, I think it became 12th now. Axis Bank, because of the outperformance, replaced Hindustan Lever. This is your IT pack.
and we can what you call do back testing for last 10 years also, is it? We get the weightages of each year, is it?
Yeah, that's in this file. It's there in screeners and that seminar. You get that file here.
I think we lost Kora.
Yeah, I think we got disconnected. Let's wait for a couple of minutes before we ping in. Maybe he's right now.
Do you know who is Prashant? He is in waiting room. That's not Kora, right? Prashant and Dhritima both are in waiting room.
You can include them, right? If you are the host.
No, but where is Kora? Like, I think it will be good if he admits.
हल्दी वाला दूध पियो रोज रात को हल्दी वाला
I think Kora is back.
Okay, he is back here.
Sorry, the power snap. Yeah, so this is the link. You put change on the end. I think you should be able to.
You need to share the screen.
Yeah, so this link you can modify. So copy this. And put a different date. I'm just putting December 21. See if it gives me the. Yeah, so that is December 21. So you keep putting all the dates and then get the file. You also can do sectors like this. It's N. Is T and P. Cigarettes have contributed to 28 points. Software companies have contributed minus 700. Private sector banks 600, highest. Public sector banks contributed 135. Refineries is Reliance. Plus, I think ONGC also. One more refinery.
I think oil exploration is 4.
BPCL is refineries. I will save this if you guys want. Desktop. This is Nifty. I was a little busy, so I couldn't get you the manual of momentum, which is in 40% complete state. I think you should be able to get it by sometime tonight, midnight, before midnight. It doesn't matter anyway because the Nifty is down, so you get a better entry than what I published. Had I published on Friday afternoon, but I don't know what's going to happen on Monday. Probably a small rally. You get a better entry. I don't think Nifty will cross tomorrow, the 31st. But anyway, so it's a small error. It doesn't. It's, you call that a slippage or tracking error kind of stuff. Also, in my defense, even if I publish little late, the SEBI rule says you have 30 days to rebalance your benchmark portfolios. So the benchmark Nifty, I as a fund manager can wait for 30 days. So I can, if I'm managing a fund, I can wait up to 31st January to come to 31st December weights. So that's why there is a tracking error by most of the companies, most of the mutual funds. Sorry. The smaller the fund size, the higher the tracking error. The higher the like. How does it matter whether you buy ITC at 300 or 310 or 303 or maybe 297? Right? Considering ITC weight is how much is ITC weight now? Maybe 6 or 8%. So 8% of 1%. So it is 0.08 into 0.01. So it's a minuscule error when you are operating at a bigger size. When you are operating at a lower size, yes, it looks like a big error, but you can't help it. So this is the top market cap portfolio. An error in the course that I have got. So I have to issue a errata or whatever. It's like some of November 21 weightage has come, November 22 weightage has come, and I had a small error of I was trying to avoid HDFC, buying HDFC, so I put 2 into HDFC Bank as a weightage. Instead of putting for HDFC Bank, I would have put for something else, and the whole error has come. That's all. Which I will issue the notice. Now 2022 top companies, top 10 market cap. H I J K J. Yeah, there was an error here also. I mean, like, I should check in the option cycle data folder that has error. So it is a little surprising that nobody has got it. So the same thing, our invoice in the top performing. It was ST 2 years back. Okay, I think it's ST still. Yeah, it is ST, not in ST. ST is straight weightage for volatility. So you get about 692 versus 294. That's 14% versus 7.5%. I don't consider dividend because eventually we'll go up and we'll pay a little bit of tax. You may not enter it exact basis. So that is yeah. Yeah, so if you consider dividends, you'll get another 2%. Yeah, the first timers will have a trouble. The second timers, you don't have a trouble because the churn that you do is very small. It's unlikely that Reliance, HDFC Bank, HDFC will drop from top 10 to something else. It's only like 2 companies which change. So Unilever got dropped, and we have Axis Bank. That's the only change in terms of churn. And of course, you have to carefully exploit the taxation. If there was any loss, you should have booked in December 30. And if there is any profit, you exit that in Jan 3rd or something like that. The first thing you should do is on December 29th or 28th, I think T+2 settlement. If you are following Jan to Jan cycle, whatever is in loss, you should sell it and keep the cash. And this file generally comes at 4th or 5th of January. So once it comes, you download the data and do the rebalance. So this is the weightage for this particular portfolio. This is the 30 December 22. weight is still ITC at 30% weight. TCS and Infi at 18% weight. Banks at 16 plus 9 plus HDFC 4, that's 29. ICICI Bank 4 and HDFC Bank 3. So that's 7. So about 36% is weight is. What is the banking weight in Nifty?
33%.
%37. We are a little underweight. We are 35.56, whereas Nifty has 37.7. We are overweight in information technology. IT is 14% in Nifty, whereas we are 18.6%. And FMCG, we are 8.59 is what Nifty, but we are 30% there. We are overweight in IT and FMCG. We don't care Reliance, which is a good thing. Good thing because yeah, it's a free post, so you can read. This is, you can't pin me to 1 year because last year Reliance outperformed Nifty. So I'm wrong. But in the long run, so if you invest in the top market company, you only make, you barely broke even. You just made a 1% returns versus 7.5% for Nifty. Yeah, the point here is you underperform. But last year you outperformed because Reliance has given. How much Reliance has given last year? 7.6 versus Nifty of 4%. How much Nifty has given? 4.3 versus 7 points. So you want to, I'm wrong by a margin of 3.6%. If I had shorted Reliance and gone long on Nifty, I would have given the returns of -3%. Maybe not, because 6% futures premium I get. So I would have lost only 1% in Reliance. And I would have made 4% in Nifty. So I would be up by 3% in this.
What book is that?
I should buy this. This one.
Secrets of Power.
You can download PDF, but I don't suggest that. You get here. It's not expensive, but it's a luck sometimes. Because you won't be seeing the book, so you will tell it is high quality, but it may turn out.
I think it's not available in India. No, to buy them.
It's a resale. They'll go there. Yeah, it is there, but I don't know why. Actually, I don't know. This guy doesn't know the value. He's just selling it for $70. Still an idiot. Yeah, so this guy is Canadian. This guy is super smart. He knows the value of the book. Yeah, I would pay anywhere between $300 for this book if it is in good condition. Actually, this guy is cheating because it's 12th printing, whereas first print is this one. So this is a genuine price. This is 1970. So this is the second or third or fourth book print. Yeah, I mean, like, why it's not so expensive. You will get in Amazon also. A lot of people buy the PDF, but you won't get that feel when you are reading it. Yeah, Amazon basically the drunk guys. So they are targeting at the drunk shoppers. So they always jack up the price. They printing 1952 edition, that is $250. There are very nuggets from that book. Like How to search? This is the review. The public can never catch up to the form or the game series. This is the people who keeps on looking for systems, keep on changing the system from one system to another system. Then he also says, keep it simple. And another thing is have a system. Any system is better than having no system. I don't know how Victor missed this point. Said thank you. Actually, he also, I mean, like if you read, you will get so many ideas. That I think he said thank you on Twitter. Not in my email. Yeah, that's fine. So let's finish this. So that is a market cap portfolio. Where is it? Market. We need to get to the R2 portfolio. R2 is where? 10. Got it lower R2. So sort by smallest to just is the bottom. Oh, because we just changed it. This portfolio is also just a plain portfolio outperforms Nifty by miles. So you get 11% returns versus 7.7% in Nifty. Last year, it was a bad story. We didn't make any money. Whereas highly correlated companies ran up. That's because ICICI Bank and maybe other company, Axis Bank, things like that. So let's see what is there in 2023. Very boring portfolio. And little crap also. Crap in terms of EV lab. Reddy is okay. Which one to go for? The max weight, if you do square, is 89 at some point of time. If you do straight, even then it's the same story. And that was the first time when I discovered this portfolio. It was a TCS. So I went all in. I made some money in that year. In fact, not some money. That's the only money I made in the stocks, TCS and Infosys and a bit of ITC. Most of the other stocks were duds. Okay, what is the weightage? I wouldn't dare going this year at 50%. Even then it's 50. There's no escape from owing this. Whatever you do, it is coming at 40 or 50. Even then 46. Let's go for the max one. That's what we have done, 53%. Yeah, the good thing is just buy 1 unit because I'm not confident. Somehow I'm not getting that feel. So to buy 1 unit, you need to buy 1 Sun Pharma. Oh, actually Nestle is killing you. You require 7.34 lakhs to replicate this portfolio. And with ONGC, half of it, I would say avoid. What do you guys say? Hello?
Avoid.
But you require 2 portfolios. So let's go for volatility. Here at least I'm okay. What did it do last year? Yeah, last year is bad for this. I'm okay with this. Even though here also it is tilted towards Britannia. You require this much to replicate this portfolio. 3 lakhs, out of which you are putting 50% in Britannia. So it will be FMCG basket. Britannia, Tata Consumers, then in this only works. You might as well buy FMCG index than buying this portfolio. Or if you want to buy the portfolio, just go. Returns. Sorry, that is the weights. This is top 10, sorry, bottom 10. See, bottom 10 volatility. Amount to replicate. This is better. You just require 74,000. Well, 3,30,000. Then you have Junior Nifty. Just check if there are any splits on RO form. Somebody has to check it for me, otherwise we'll be delayed.
We have to check for Aura Bandhu, is it?
No, RO form, I have a doubt whether it is really fallen or a split. Gland has really fallen 60%. LTI is, what is LTI new name?
Aura Pharma has fallen 60%.
The
From
Jubilee
top-
1:5 split or?
No, it has actual prices have
The
crashed.
last
from
split of that was 2015, Kora.
Huh?
Last split was 2015.
Okay. The Jubil food,
Wait.
I think it's
Wait. Uh, 2022, yes. April.
how much is the ratio?
1:5.
No, and then there is one more thing which they have done. Bonus also they have done.
Oh,
Check.
wait. Bonus was in 2018, Kora. 1:1.
Okay, so just 1:5 split in 2022. Okay. Instead of that, it's fallen 5%, 30%. What is LTI new name? That information.
I think it's
LTIM. It is LTIM now.
L&T Technologies.
LTI is L&T Infotech. It has changed to LTI Mindtree. So it is LTIM.
H L T I
TIM.
investments. Okay. Why it's not changed? Did we do any shifting activity? Oh, anyway, that's not. It's LTIM, yeah. I don't know what is happening here. This is the last time. Close. Pell has done some shit. I don't know how to adjust that. What is it they have done, Pel?
Just played, right? Played the pharma and
Sorry, please turn off. Somebody is talking. Okay, we will come to this. What is torrent pharma? I think it's split, right? 1:2 or?
Pill, this pyramid, which is demerger and all those things.
Yeah, we have to do adjustment for that.
Oh, you need the exact thing, is it?
1:1 is 2. 1 plus 1 by.
Yeah, 1:2. Torrent. So that was 2006, right?
Which one?
Torrent.
No, no, they have done.
Okay.
In July, you can see, right? Pel demerger, what all they have done? Live means no. Probably Times of India again, no. Yeah, business. Okay. Broker said so, we'll be really careful. No. Let's go to pyramid. Say first test of that. Investors will get 4 PPL shares for each PEL share held. That's all, huh? Oh, there are. Kurla. It is incorporated in Kurla. PPL. Is it listed already or not? So you got 4 of them. Then CCPL, what is that? Is it? No, then something else also you mentioned. No. I'm sorry, this internet is snapping back. I think that's all right. So they got 4 shares of this. So the price is 4. So you have to add this. Still the stock is down 50%.
Kora, please share your screen.
Yeah, still the stock is down 50%. Did they give any bonus or nothing? No. So before the merger, they've given demerger, they've given the usual dividend, which is 33. Okay, they hiked the dividend from 2020. Yeah, looks like correct. It is down 2643. We also have the same thing, 2643. I think Naukri, there is no split. Indus Tower, there is no split. LTIM 40% down. Yeah, all the IT stocks are down. Muthoot Finance is down 30%. Is it correct? So history, the Russian is going, people are not taking gold loans. All right. Then what we need to do is we have to take junior 50 components. Where do I get that? This one. Is it 31 or 30? It's actually 29th. Okay, only here. Yes. Sorry, LTIM price. So what is it? Why it's it's December 2022. Close. Equity. Next. Man, what's happening here? Can somebody also help me, please? I want Nifty, next 50, last year value and this year value. Or 20. No, it is. So Junior Nifty hasn't done anything in the last 2 years, huh? I would assume so, because it's very peculiar. Both years it is. Okay, 2020 is bound. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
No, that was my friend. Yes. I think 8-7, no, that is. Yeah. Here we do just R2 and low wall. R2 is 10, huh? Yeah. Start. Smallest to largest. It's very simple. You go equate in R2, you get 769. That is 16% returns. The bottom is barely scraping through at 130 rupees. In Nifty Junior, because of small risk premium, you generate a higher returns than Nifty. So 7.7 versus 9.1. You can oh, it's a crap. Maybe the year of DLF. Let's see how much weightage comes through. What's going on here? Some ifs. S of S. Okay, Q of Q. Q of Q is U2. Correct. It is some ifs only, right? Yeah, it is some ifs. I don't know what's going on here. So some ifs of S of S. Q, U2. Okay. 2007 you were down. 2008 you were up. 2011 you were down. The year you were up. Really a little clueless here. It's so here it is 65, 96, minus 48. Okay, so top 10, I think. Should take top 10. Sorry. It's correct. I think when copying, we got it wrong. This is the one. Yeah, this is correct. So equal weight is straight. This is beta. So we should 2000 number. Beta is negative, that's why it's not able to calculate. So we'll ignore that. So 2018 again we have a problem. It's basically it would have listed and it would have straight jumped into junior 50. That's why the problem of 0. Nothing can be done there. Then this is volatility. Anyway, let's go for square. You were having a problem in Adani transmission. And Adani Green. So you're just betting on Adani. So one time it took 72 8 days. When was that? 0.72. McDowell. It picked up a winner in that. Then any other instance of going, it picked up Devi Lab in one particular year where the stock doubled. Sorry, not doubled, 40% returns. Then there was a, I don't know why it poked into idea, which turned out okay investment. But ideally we should be avoiding those stocks which are less than 20. It's like a bold bet. You can't help it. I mean, this is what it is telling. So, this is R2 portfolio. Where is it? What is the portfolio? Bottom 10 R2. Next. 350. Yes. Here, December price. Wait. What is the minimum ticket size you require? That's how much? 2,10,000.
21 lakhs Kora.
21 lakhs.
You have to ignore. You can't put 2 lakhs in this app thing. I mean, like, you might as well buy ETF.
Yeah.
The other thing you can do is get the 11th one. See if it is a cheap price stock. Because if you are replicating this portfolio, you would be holding PGHH from last year. Because last year also there was one stock of PGHH. So keep that and go for the 11th one. So what is the 11th one? This looks good. It's 1.81. This is little okay because you're putting 1,80,000. I think I would go for this rather than PGHH. I mean, PGHS you can continue to hold. So we'll do this. You still are betting on Adani, in whatever the case. So you bet 1,80,000, even if it cracks by 50%, you lose only 90,000.
No, even Nayaka had recently some problem, Kura.
But he was just putting
Yeah, only 6%.
2 lakhs into 6%, 12,000. Even if it goes to zero, you lose only 2. Then we have to do low beta. Where is beta? 9. Not so great. 490 versus 337. What about low volatility? Maybe you can go for low volatility portfolio if you want two portfolios. Because 534 is a big number. That low beta was not so big number, 400 versus 337, so just a 1% edge. Get bottom 10. TGL is 3692, oh no. Okay, 35. Okay, it has fallen. 3692 versus 3542. About 150 rupees less entry is what you are getting. Equal. Oh, sorry, I have to write this. Bottom, I think here we have done square business. We selected wrong one. Yeah, this is the right one. Straight.
Over your class?
You have to observe and tell me which is highest. I think equal. This year we had a bad year, 12%. And the problem with this is it is going with 116% weightage at one point of time. So you can't do this. It could be in both. And it has shorted one company, minus 4.84%. And it has gone with 116 weightage. So if it is 116 weightage, which is it has gone Glaxo Uber long in 2019. Sorry, 2009. And it turned out to be a good bet. And it is shorted BEL in that particular year. Did it short anything else? No, yeah, it shorted only that. Yeah, I mean, this is what it is, so you can't tell anything about it. Just numbers, right? It doesn't have a voice. At least this is better because PNG is 5% where it is. Yeah, this is better. So you just require 3 lakhs. I would go for this rather than going for the other ones. Yeah, actually require 352. 352,284. 352. That's all. So, any questions?
No, Kora, thanks for showing this method.
So this is bottom volt. Thing we have done here is something like this. All right, so I'll upload these 2 sheets and I'll give you the links over email for the. I'll email the final output, but not the template.
Kora, one small doubt, Kora, like we have these Mahaboli portfolios and all those things, right?
Sorry?
Which major, we have Mahaboli portfolio, right? Which is ETF's allocation.
That is the ETF. I don't have time
Yeah.
now. I will publish it.
No.
In the evening.
I just, it's a question like we have there we are getting around 20% CAGR, right? So what do you suggest, taking these portfolios or blindly going into those portfolios? ETF models are better, or going half of into both of them are better?
The thing with the ETF, I mean, but nowhere they won't be churn in ETFs. See, most of the stocks is stock picking is a bit gamble, so it will give you that kick. So when you open your P&L statement, your ETF, if you keep on adding, your ETF overall gain will always be showing 1% or 2%, or maybe 4% in a big year. Because first you would output 1 lakh, next 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, like that. If you keep on putting, the overall amount it will raise is max 5-10% in a year. So you'll feel you are not doing anything, your returns are not doing. But if you just see Adani Green jumping like 200%, even though you have one stock, right, it will give you the gambling thrill. So that's why I go for stocks. But depending on your allocation, I mean, like how much money you have, I would say just stick to ETFs. And if you have any excess money, because the cheapest here is this one, buy 1 or 2 lots of this. This portfolio also should do good. But that is giving you 14% CAGR, right? And there won't be much. Only Hindustan Lever kicked out and Axis Bank came. Next year, I would say Axis Bank will go out and something else might come. Yeah, there's only one chunk, 1 or 2 stocks maximum chunk. And you don't need to follow exact weightage. So dump all the HUL and buy Axis Bank and buy some more ITC. Last year we had TCS some 6 or 8%, so you buy one more stock. I would say don't buy HDFC. Buy HDFC stock for the same amount. So you will get one stock, I think. Instead of one stock of HDFC, buy one HDFC Bank. The HDFC story will go over this year sometime. Do we get one stock or we won't get? I think, yeah, you get one stock. So this is portfolios. Let me save it before I forget. Desktop. The ETF allocation I'll publish in the night. So you have junior Nifty and Nifty portfolios given to you now in a half-an-hour time frame. Then I would say pick MSL, the mid and small cap 400 Y2 gainers portfolio. And alpha low volatility, either you pick in micro cap. Again, mid cap putting there is no point. Might want to pick micro cap alpha low volatility. So you get balanced one momentum and one alpha low volatility. If you don't have money to put in micro cap alpha low volatility, just follow micro cap insiders because they come at a space of each month just 2,000, 3,000, and overall you will be having 60 stocks. So you just need to arrange 5 stocks on average per month, which is like 10,000, which is fine. This year, I think we are doing good by an insider portfolio. Not bad, but not so good, at least okay kind of stuff. So where is that insider? Yeah. November 22. Actually, December I haven't yet done it. So just go for November. Momo current portfolios. Here it will have it. If you really followed last year, I know followed because he showed me. I don't know how many else have followed. Micro cap. Just consider a micro cap. No need for small cap. Sort by date. Newest to oldest. Actually, sorry, I think I should do oldest by newest. And remove duplicates. Remove duplicates by symbol.
Security.
Yeah, so we bought 58 stocks in last year. And this is entry price, it's not November price. This is November price. If I take latest price, today's price, I should be taking 30 December 22, but I'm taking even lesser price because the market has fallen. So it will be here. Excuse me. Oh, existing shouldn't be there actually. So star cements, is it there earlier?
This is insider buying strategy.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I don't know why star sem which is existing is coming, but that's fine. So everything should be new. There are two doubtful candidates, star sem and Anant Raj. I don't know, but again, it's a small difference because you are just putting 2,000. So my error is 2,000 rupees extra. This is just 500 rupees extra. So for 2,000, 2,000 divided by this, got 5 stocks. So your invest is this into this. Q or UE. So you put 1,13,000 58 stocks. Your final value is this into this. So you have done a returns of 40% returns, not bad. This is 14% absolute returns. But if you take the XARR, it will be a little higher number. I don't think microcap has given you that much returns. Microcap at the start of the year.
Brooklyn again, Kina?
10,034. And where is it today? Yeah, so we generated 9 versus 14, about 5% extra returns. Not bad. Not to this is we haven't given the full year a chance. So only full year holding is one stock, a bunch of stocks here.
And I think with lesser volatility also, no, Corona.
I don't know about the volatility because some of the stocks would have cracked 50%. That's a bad thing about it. So that stock has 79%. No, actually that is a split. SWL is 1:5 split or SSWL. I think it's there's a split. Corporate information.
1:5 Kora.
So this right. There might be a few more splits. Oh, this P&L is here, P&L. Yeah, Ramco Systems is a bad stock. Then Parag, who is this guy? Aninfra. Yeah, so he's not a good stock picker. Ramco System went down because of IT. The ladies have done extremely good. So over the ladies. This is the lady. Then she's also a lady. She's a lady. She's also a lady. Roma is a lady or?
Line number 19, Kora.
What is line number 90?
Nilima Dosh.
Oh, Nilima is. I don't know who is Nilima. Usually, Rajiv Modi's wife keeps buying with all her. She has a dental clinic. So whatever she earns in the dental clinic, she will keep buying Saskent stock. But I don't know why her name is not there. I mean, it will be there somewhere. Maybe it just picked up when we do VLOOKUP or something like that. It picked up that lady's name. Roma, just check whether it is a lady or. What's her name? It's like Gent only. Shok Siri. It's complete zone there. The whole setting is not here. Not there, right?
Kora, that is female only.
How do you know?
I went and checked in Trendline where they have addressed her as Miss Luma, and she has a Pinterest account where we can confirm that she's female.
Okay, then Kora Reddy Jewelry. Suvarna Goyal. Speak.
Then Nirupama Sundar,
Where?
57. Next line only. Next line only. 57.
52 also.
56 and 57.
Even 43 also there. Dhruvi Nakul Kumar. I think she is also ready.
No, Dhruvi is gent's name. I remember checking it. Suvir must be. I have a doubt on Suvir.
And 56 Suvarna Goyal.
I'm actually talking to better folks.
Sorry?
I'm talking to better folks.
Oh.
So they became billionaires, right, recently.
When Kora Dhruvi, I feel so she's also ready because it is written Dhruvi Nakul Kumar, previously director with Wealthcraft Investment Services Private Limited, is registered with Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Bearing me, she is an Indian staying in Mumbai.
She, yeah, Dhruvi.
Yeah, Dhruvi. Yeah, I'm talking.
Ladies, you should have done 3,000. That's what I told, right? You are. They have beaten the male counterparts. Everything included is 15. Now these ladies have come 16.94. You had a one multi-bagger, Mantraj, Roma Serene, and Bhavana Agarwal. She works in HP now, a previous company. I don't know other people. I know only Saskin because she's my dental doctor in English. Yeah, but
Kora, is it like Saskin is a good company, so that's why she's dumping all her monthly income there? Or how is it, Kora?
I have no idea. I haven't asked her. But I asked her, I joked with her, but she won't tell. Why will she? She has quite a big name. So for her, like 50, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs in a month is nothing.
Okay.
For one cleanup of mine, she charges 1,500. Then my wife, So within 2 hours, she earns like 5,000. And she'll be full on Saturday and Sunday. You won't get appointment. This is COVID. People are afraid to go out and this one, right? Like last 2 years. Even then also, she's fully booked.
Yeah, okay, because I personally hold Sasken, so that's why. Yeah, okay, Kora.
I consulted for Rajiv Modi for a few months, 3 months. But it didn't materialize. They are very conservative. They didn't want to.
For what, Kora? Rajiv Modi?
He consulted them to open a telecom service provider division.
Okay.
Yeah, good luck, guys. So follow microcap. This year, I think microcaps are going to run like a beast. You will get 60 stocks, perhaps 20 multi-baggers. Last year, how many baggers we picked?
Kora, last session's recordings are available. Where?
They're there 1 minute. Just I have a doubt on these 2 stocks. Green play. Flatex. Is it really down? I think this Filatex might have given a bonus. Yeah, it was split. So it is not down 50%.
Split, no? 2:1 is to 1, I think so.
Yeah, so into 2. It's not a
37 this
loss. Green play, I think, is down, right? Green play, there is no split, or is there? Green play or green lamp is Ashish Dhawan's pick. He's a very smart investor. This guy, he's actually now doing a lot of philanthropy.
Ashoka University is funded by him, founded by him.
Yeah, so he's a very smart stock pick. You should buy if he buys anything. Yeah, this year he is not. He's down 20%. With 500 close to 2000. Because he's into small caps. So obviously they haven't done well. Like Birla's soft. The crap stocks, right? Entire 80 pack went down. So green lamp, okay, not green pack. I have no idea why he has put all red. That's a compound num stock, right?
But Greenland is, I think, it will split, no? 1 is to 10th of February 22.
Yeah, but I'm not holding. I just cross-checked green play. When I seen, so there's no split of green flag. So I mentioned that green lamp. I was holding that green.
Kora, do you know the macro cap company Madho Bagh?
Sorry guys, this is a bit irritating, but can't help it. So you can ask before I wind up. I need to rush for a lunch meeting at 2 o'clock.
All the recordings of previous session and this, is there available?
They're all there. So they should be here. Any guys want to resubscribe, please do it.
Is there a last year or something?
Yeah, so you do it a last year price plus some discount, because for me changing price is just one line change. Somewhere I have to upload. So I'm increasing the price from 10K to 12K.
And Kora, can you give a heads up about the other subscription option? This thing, what are the things covered in that?
You get both, so just don't worry. I don't need too much money. So buy that 8,000 subscription and ask me for the access on to options like you, I'll give it. You get to 1 year Telegram channels as well.
Get for both manual and that.
Manual of momentum and options IQ plus those Telegram channels.
Okay, so I can directly subscribe to that and get all this. And
yeah, you get all. Yeah.
Okay.
So here there would be seminars. So whenever I've done seminar, I'll upload. So screen factor I've done twice in last year, 24th December, and this is some other date.
This access, how do we get into?
You will have if you are a manual of momentum subscriber. These are all the monthly chit chat. Like I've done few times. Actually, I didn't. I was regular till April, May and June. I think there was a problem. We didn't record. And September, I don't know why. It's missed. Yeah, but instead of monthly, I prefer to do it quarterly because it is too much of a headache for me. And also attendance, if there are only 3-4 folks, I feel disgraced. So I can do it quarterly. Perhaps I will do sometime 26th January or something like that, because it's a holiday and long weekend. And from a contrarian perspective, I will publish which sector is the later tonight. Any questions or?
That's all, Kora. Thanks.
Thanks, Kora.
For this
Thank you, Kora.
Nifty and that workbook which you have done, what does it cover?
can all people we connect with each other? Because sometime if we don't know how to do and what to do, is it possible means can we have the phone numbers, same numbers of people here?
I'll share my number. Whoever wants to contact me, please contact me.
Yeah, sorry, I mean, this is irritating. You should have access. I would have given it to you in the next few days of your subscription. If I haven't done it, ask me. What's your email ID? Is there, no? I will get a mail into spam from Tejas Reddy. So just click that, you will have access. All right, guys. So, Dritya, I will call you later.
Sure. This I sent for everybody else. Like one of them was asking for phone numbers. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is, I will give you my number.
All right. So, wish you good luck for 23.
Thanks, Kora.
My board is S&P is going to pierce 5,000. Let's see. It just needs a 20% rally. If Apple or Microsoft out of a blue produce a beat, earnings beat, that itself will lift 10% weightage, Apple. So, and if Apple rallies 20% or 30%, that itself should add 3 to 5% of S&P. All that it requires is a 20% rally. It's now at 4,000 to hit 5,000, 20% rally. If Microsoft and Apple gains by 20% each, we are there. I mean, half of it is already achieved. The rest the 10% is all 498 guys can push it. So let's see. I'm stopping the share and stopping the recording as well.
Okay, Kora. See you.